In this support video, we will be replacing and installing the dishwasher door spring and the rope pulley for model FDWBI8067-24S. A worn-out spring or pulley may result in a poor door tension. You will need to pull out your dishwasher. Make sure you have enough leeway for the power cord and water hose. If not, you will need to disconnect the water hose and electrical wire plug. You will need to verify the left and right side. Remove the cover panel and unscrew the two holding screws. Remove the spring and the rope pulley. We will now install the new spring or rope pulley. When installing the spring, the larger hook will be placed at the top and placed in the holding bracket, and the shorter hook will be placed at the bottom to attach the rope pulley. Ensure that the spring is in the correct bracket and is attached to the supporting rope. The supporting rope needs to wrap around the small wheel and fasten to the dishwasher door leg. You can adjust the dishwasher door tension by placing the spring higher in the bracket. A lower position will decrease the door tension. This completes the installation.